When I go on a driving spree, the coppers all get panicky. Pop my horn, strip my ears. So I'm screwy, but what can I do? I ask you. What are you looking for, Sarge?
I'm looking for speeders.
Speeders? What's a speeder?
A speeder's a guy that goes...
You mean like this?
No, like this.
Oh, I get it.
I didn't say... I said... And if you go... once more, I'll give you a ticket.
You mean I can't go...
That's what I said. No more...
Oh, you mean like this? How's that, Sarge?
Yeah, that's it. That's the way a speeder goes. Say, you're a speeder.
If you think that's fast, get a load of this. Boy, is it cold in Alaska.
I suppose you think that was funny. Come over here. I'd like to ask you a few questions.
Okay, what subject would you like to talk about? Women? Okay. What's the color of Jeannie's light brown hair? No coaching from the audience, please.
I got a notion to bust this over your head.
Oh, yeah? Well, I bet you wouldn't be so brave without that uniform.
Oh, I wouldn't, huh? I'll show you. I'll take it off.
Hurry up, you big flatfoot. Get him off, get him off. Come on, you gotta take them off, too. Hurry up, cut out the stalling.
I'm gonna break every bone in your body.
Come on, get him up, get him up, get him up. That's it, hold that pose. Steady now.
Motorcycle.
What say, Johnny?
I said follow that motorcycle!
You'll have to talk louder, officer. I can't hear a word you're saying. I say, skip it. I gotta be going anyway. Giddy up, Clara.
Why, you little shrimp! You can't do that to me! I'm an officer of the law! Come back here! You hear me?
Oh, taxi cab, fat boy.
Follow that horse and buggy.
Okie dokie.
Hey, you! They went that way!
Fat boy, keep your big mouth shut. That kind of boy boy, big shortcut. Are you savvy? Shortcut, shortcut. Oh, so sorry, so sorry. I look like a China boy take a wrong shortcut. Wanna ride, mister?
Follow that motorcycle. Follow that horse. Follow that boogie. Follow that China boy. Follow the swallows. Follow the leader. Follow me. Look, I'm a dive bomber.
How do you feel, buddy?
Oh, I feel fine.
You sure you're okay?
Yeah, sure. I'm okay.
Can I ask you a question?
Sure. What do you want to know?
Is it true that speeders go like this?
Follow that motorcycle. Follow that horse. Follow that boogie. Follow that China boy.